Hello everyone, welcome back. Quick video on what the examiners want to see on your driving test in regards to your manoeuvres. Now we all know that every driving test that goes out in Great Britain or United Kingdom will have to do one manoeuvre. So one manoeuvre that you've been practicing with your driving instructor. So it could either be parallel park, bay park forwards, bay park backwards, or the new one, when I say new, it's a few years old now, but parking the car on the right hand side and then reversing back a couple of car lanes. So what are those examiners looking for? What are they, what are they marking the sheet for, or what are they touching the iPad for? Nowadays it's all done electronically. Well, simple fact of the matter is they're looking for three elements. So it doesn't matter how you do your manoeuvre. You could go onto YouTube and you can find all manner of ways of doing a parallel park, or you can see your instructor do it, or you can have a friend teach you how to do it. But the three things that they're interested in are observations, accuracy, and control. Okay, so observations, for example, if you're doing a bay park, before you move off, to do the manoeuvre, are you checking around? Are you checking around to make sure that the road is clear? When you're doing the manoeuvre, are you aware of other things around you? Do you have the safety bubble? Are you aware of the person that's coming towards you or the person that's walking across behind you? Are you acting correctly to that? So that's observations. So they're looking for good, solid observations and responding to stuff. It's not just about looking around in your mirrors and going, well, I looked. You want to be able to look around but also respond to stuff. Accuracy. So with the bay park, are you finishing within the little lines? Are you finishing within the white lines, or are you over the lines? You don't have to be perfect. This is what I say to my pupils a lot of the time. We're not looking for pinpoint accuracy. We're not looking for like 6 inches on that side and 6 inches on that side. It just needs to be within the white lines. So you could be close this side, you could be close that side, you could be wonky. So, not massively wonky, but ever so slightly wonky. That's not a problem. So, accuracy. Are you within the lines? That's pretty much it. And control. Are you controlling the car? Are you going in really fast to the bay? Are you swinging it around really out of control? Are you lurching the car forwards? Are you kind of shooting the car backwards? Are you controlling the vehicle? So they're looking for a general level of control. So just to recap, real simple: observation, accuracy, and control. Those are the three things that those examiners are looking for on your driving test. If you do those three things, you won't go far wrong. Don't forget to give us some thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to comment, feel free to comment, and we'll see you on the next video.